Usually what I wear, excusing how I did my hair, because you let me run to where they said, spilling out words I wrote, honesty I say.
Hello, students. In this lesson, you will learn how to simplify algebraic expressions. Therefore, I will teach you the rules involving laws of exponent. Let us recall the value of x. What is an x? X is a variable that replaces the missing value in algebra. It has a numerical coefficient of 1 and exponent of 1. Let us have this image. The numerical coefficient of x is 1 and the exponent is 1. Therefore, x is the literal coefficient. Let us proceed to the laws of exponent. The first law of exponent is product law or multiplication law of exponent. We have the pattern x raised to the m power multiplied to x raised to the n power. It is equal to x raised to the m plus n. So the rule is we copy the base and we get the sum of m and n. Let's have the following examples. Number 1, x to the fifth multiply x to the 6. It is equal to x to the fifth plus 6 is equal to x to the 11th power. Again, the rule is we copy the base, which is x, then we add 5 and 6. Then it is equal to x to the 11th power. Our number 2 example is x to the negative 2 times x to the 10th power will be equal to x to the negative 2 plus 10. Then the answer is x to the 8th power. We notice that we have different sign of the exponent of x. If the sign are different from one another, therefore, we have to subtract the exponent. Number 3, 2 to the second power times 2/3 will be equal to 2 to the 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to the fifth power. Let us evaluate 2 to the fifth power. It is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 32. We have number 4, x to the 1/2 times x to the 1/2. So what we will do to this? Of course, we copy the base and then we will add 1/2 plus 1/2 of the exponent. It is equal to x to the 1 plus 1 to the numerator over the denominator of 2. Why? Because they have the same denominator, so we just copy the denominator at once. It is equal to x to the 2 over 2. So we just divide 2 by 2. The answer is x to the first power, or it is only x. We have number 5 example. X to the 6th power times x to the negative 10. It is equal to x to the 6th power plus negative 10. Then it is equal to x again to the 6 minus 10. Why? Because we will multiply the sign of positive to the negative 10. Therefore, the answer is x to the negative 4. Then this one is what we call negative exponent law. To simplify x to the negative 4, we get the reciprocal. Therefore, x to the negative 4 is equal to 1 over x to the 4th. So therefore, we notice that the x negative 4 will be written in the denominator, but negative 4 will become positive 4. And we have numerator, which is 1, and that is the reciprocal of x to the negative 4. We have example, letter A, x to the negative 3 will be equal to 1 over x cubed, and this is the reciprocal. Letter B, xy raised to the negative 3 is equal to x times the reciprocal of y to the negative 3, which is 1 over y cubed, will be equal to, first we multiply x to the numerator of 1, it is equal to x, over, we just copy the denominator, which is y cubed. Next, letter C, 2x raised to the negative 5 will be equal to 2 times the reciprocal of x to the negative 5 will be 1 over x to the 5th is equal to, again, we multiply 2 to the numerator of 1 will be equal to 2 over, we copy the denominator, which is x to the 5th power. Letter D, x to the negative 2 over y to the negative 5 will be equal to y to the 5th power over x squared. We simply inverse the given, which is x to the negative 2 divided by y to the negative 5. Letter E, quantity xy to the negative 3 will be equal to x to the negative 3, y to the negative 3. We just multiply the exponent of x to the outside exponent, which is negative 3. And also y to the first power multiplied to the negative 3. Then we have again x to the negative 3, y to the negative 3. Therefore, the reciprocal is 1 over x cubed, y cubed. Letter F, the given is quantity x to the 1/2 raised to the negative 2. Then what will we do? We copy the base, which is x, and then 1 multiplied to negative 2 outside the exponent, which is equal to negative 2 over the denominator, which is 2. We just copy the denominator, which is 2, is equal to x to the negative 1. Why? Because we will divide negative 2 by 2. Therefore, the answer is 1 over x is the reciprocal of x to the negative 1. Remember these laws of power codes. When you are trying to impress people with words, the more you say, the more common you appear, and the less in control. Thank you so much for viewing my YouTube channel. I hope you learned a lot. Please subscribe, and thank you again.
It's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop to your